Aloha, konnichiwa. Activity 31, Verizon Wireless. If you notice, I whited out 12A and B, how to figure the tax and the total out. You should be able to figure that out by now. Revert back to activity 15 and 26 if you need a little help. Okay, percentage of sales. This is brand new to us though, okay? So on 12C, it says to figure out percent of sales, we take our sales and we divide it by our total sales, which is down here. Okay, so your total sales. So look, B14 divided by B35, and this is, so this 3,000, the Droid X by Motorola, that is 3,729. This is 11.61% of Verizon sales. Okay, now you think you can just easily autofill down, but bam, we get a problem here, because remember we put this B35 up here. See the B35, right? So as we autofill down, check out now. Look, it's trying to go to B36. We go down here, it's trying to go to B38. Here, B46. And if you notice, there's nothing there. That's why we're getting the error. So when you autofill is a wonderful feature, but sometimes you need to lock it in. You need to say, hey, Excel, just use this right here. Just use B35. Because when you autofill down, you can't. Sorry, someone's knocking on my door. When you autofill down, you can't. Oh my gosh, they got me so off track. Here we go. All right, so when you autofill down, it's going to the next cell. See B36, B37, B38. So what we want to do is just lock it in so it does not leave B35 because we need this for our equation. Very simple. All you got to do is just put a $sign in front of the B and put a $sign after the B. So what this is telling Excel is, hey, when we autofill, just lock in on B35. Now hit enter. Nothing looks like it changes, but watch what happens when you autofill down. Voila. And then click on any one of these cells just to double check. Notice B28, it did the autofill down. It knew we wanted this one, B28 here, but it's also just locking in on this cell because we need that for our division. Okay? So that is an absolute cell reference, and it comes in handy in Excel. Okay? And the rest you should be able to autofill over and autofill this guy over. And look, your sales should be, well, that should be 100%. But just need to format that change. Okay. All right. Activity 31, Verizon Wireless.